In the last session, we talked about the lactic system, the engine, but an engine is useless if you can't control the heat. Most lifters are passengers in their own bodies. They wait for their heart rate to drop and hope for recovery. An operator doesn't wait. We use a manual override to force the system back to baseline. To master the recovery floor gate, you have to master the vagus nerve. It is the primary brake pedal for your entire physiology. The vagus nerve is the lead cable of your parasympathetic nervous system. Think of it as the high speed data line between your brain and your heart. When you're under the load of the bar, your sympathetic system, the gas, is floored. The vagus nerve is the brake. By consciously stimulating this nerve, you send a direct command to the sinoatrial node of the heart to slow down. We aren't just resting, we are actively hacking the autonomic signal to accelerate the cooling process. Why prioritize vagal tone? Because your ability to recover is the true measure of your fitness. Longevity isn't found in how high you can redline, it's found in how fast you can return to calm. High vagal tone means a more resilient chassis. It means you can handle higher torque for less systemic cost. By training the vagus nerve, you are increasing your operational bandwidth. You're teaching your body that stress is a temporary state, not a permanent residence. The protocol is the vagal reset. The moment the weight hits the floor, the stalking begins. We use elongated nasal exhales to stimulate the vagus nerve. We relax the jaw and soften the gaze to signal to the brainstem that the threat has passed. You are looking for the drop, that specific moment where the heart rate falls off a cliff. If you can't command the drop, you haven't mastered the movement. The reset is as much a part of the rep as the lift itself. But even with the brake pedal floored, there is a limit. As we move deeper into the session, the system begins to hold on to heat. The vagus nerve handles the signal, but the blood handles the temperature. When the internal environment gets too hot, the signal gets noisy. In the next video, we're going to look at the hardware responsible for dumping that heat, the vascular radiator. We'll discuss how your blood flow acts as a cooling system and how to optimize your thermal exhaust to reach the 25-minute session gate mark.